Not a bad day this morning. Thought I would get up early and mow the lawn. And what happened here, this side, is there was a stump that's almost flush with the ground, sticking up just a little bit. And so I caught the mower on it and broke that bearing and drive unit. Now I gotta see about, I gotta pull this whole unit off and get these screws out here and see if I can replace that whole thing. You know, I don't know. Get some tools here. What happens when you pull? Try to get all this stuff to come apart without busting my knuckles. Oops. I'll set you guys down in front here. If you can see something. So I think we're good there. Okay, you're out of gear. I got to work on the boat trailer today too. Let's get this out of the way first. There we go. Here's the pieces for the bay liner. Hopefully I'll have my O-ring here next couple days and start putting the bay liner back together again. This ought to work. Gotta have the pulley off there in order to get the rest of that thing out. That's okay. So the shaft looked okay. It's this part that broke. It's got the bearing in it. All right. I don't know if you guys can see this. Here's the blade. It looks like they were due for sharpening too. But this is supposed to have a piece on each end of it, and when I would say the very center part, that bolt, hit that stump. I'm not gonna hold on to that with my finger. Oh, broke it right off. Huh. All right, well, I snuck back in the house and got myself a cup of coffee, which I've lost already. There it is. And let's get back on the job here. I got the feeling that this unit is going to be fairly expensive. And why do you say that, Gary? Because it's a tall one. I actually had a new one that I was hoping would fit, but it would. And here it is. This one had actually 5. Had a zert fitting in it, 5 holes to hold it on. But obviously that's not a match. That only had 2 or 3. Shame, shame, shame. That one was $42 many years ago from TSC. See that? 42 bucks. So I would say the price of this one, 80 bucks. About the same size price as one of the tires I just put on it. And being that I put 2 tires on it, and this is the same mower that I replaced the motor, put a used motor in it, but I don't know. I can see the 2 front tires are different, but they work. All right.